All right, guys, I've started recording. So, like we said before now, we have two type of, we have, I don't give out the second definition of Karijata, like what we are seeing here. So, second definition of Karijata is what? From the borderline to the party traffico. Is it clear now? I beg, if you get question, you ask me, I beg, eh? Any question? Remember, two definition of Karijata waiting, from borderline to borderline or borderline to party traffico. If you no see party traffico there, no be Karijata. Guys, let me go deeper. Now, Traffico is the only thing that can divide the carreggiata because inside the road, inside the strada, you can see plenty carreggiata inside it. Are you guys following me now? Now watch. Traffico na the only thing wey fit divide this road. Traffico na the only thing wey fit to divide a carreggiata from another carreggiata. Please write it down, everybody. I repeat again. Traffico, this guardrail, na the only thing wey fit to divide a carreggiata into two. You go divide them. Like that is why you see here. You see one carreggiata here. You see another carreggiata here. Students, watch. If for the center here, they come put, let me show you guys something. Look at this picture now. Cram it. I want us to memorize it very well. Now, I want to show something else. Watch. Look at this picture. You cannot call this thing. You cannot say carreggiata is what? From year to year. It is very wrong. Because, yes, party traffic or no day here. Let me repeat again. Party traffico na the only thing wey fit to divide the carreggiata into plenty, into x, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. A road can even have many carreggiatas as much as possible, so long as say party traffico dey there. For example, here they paint double continuous line. Yeah, this is not a you cannot say carreggiata is what from year to year. It is very wrong. So here we have only one carreggiata here from the borderline to the borderline. Party traffico no dey there. If you see party traffico there, sorry, you cannot divide it. But yeah, there is no party traffico here. So here we have only one
Excuse me,
carreggiata.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
He said spazo traffico is the only thing that can divide road into two.
That can divide the carreggiata
That
into
can
two.
divide the carreggiata.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because inside the strada, inside the road, we can get many carreggiata inside it. So long as it's party traffico dey there. And they come, I'm about to show you guys plenty examples. Watch. I'm about to show you guys many examples as possible now. Watch. We don't see this one. Another example. Look at this guy. If you look at this strada, you go see borderline to party traffico. Or you can say party traffico to party traffico or borderline at the same time. So here we get two carreggiata. Do you know why? Because there's a party traffico there. Are you guys following me now? All right. Let us now see. Let us now see some examples. Okay. Let me start from this guy here. Now, sorry, before I start explaining again, look at here. We now have this continuous line inside this carreggiata. Remember, carreggiata is what? From the borderline to this party traffico. Even though I can't see the border, even if I can't see borderline, I can also say carreggiata is what? From the borderline to the borderline. Second definition, from the party traffico to the borderline. Is it clear now? So here we get two carreggiata. Do you know why? Because there is a party traffico here. C. I dey come. I want to explain something to you wey important. Watch. Why is it that this guy, you know, go call this thing? Why you know go call here from year to year? You know, call am carreggiata. From this borderline to this double continuous line. Why you know call am carreggiata? Do you know why? Because the double continuous line here only define the sense of movement. E no dey divide the sense of movement. It only define. E dey define, say, e dey tell us, say, this thing na double sense of movement. Na wetin dey only tell us. E no dey divide the road. See, they can also put continuous line here. It means double continuous line. We know what it means. It means double sensor. The same thing, they can also paint here this continuous line. We know what it means. It means sensor unico. Abi? So this double continuous line here, please don't be let us not be deceived when we are doing quiz. It only tell us, say, yeah, na double sense of movement. Please don't say na two carreggiata dey here because there is no stratigraphical here. So having said that, guys, now let us do one more example again before I start explaining other things. Let us see Corsia. Wetin be Corsia? Guys, watch oh. Inside this wonderful carreggiata, we can see plenty Corsia here. Now watch. Let me apply the thing I teach you before. From this one to this line here, I dey see one Corsia. From this line wey dey here to this one, I dey see two Corsia now. From this one here now to this one, I'm seeing three Corsia. From this line again to this guy here, to this party traffic or this border line here, I'm seeing four Corsia. Let us now move here. From this guy here to this guy here, I'm seeing five Corsia, six Corsia, seven Corsia, eight Corsia dey inside here. At the Ritura, we have eight Corsia inside this particular carreggiata, inside this particular road. Eight Corsia. Let us apply the second method. Count the number of lines we did there, minus and with one. Watch, let's do it together. But please don't count waiting days outside. From the borderline. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one are just 5. Only one, even though even if you have one line outside, just count it as 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1 out of it is 8. So we have 8 Corsia here. Any question? Hello? Any question? Me, I go soon start to ask question now. All right, I want to start to ask question now. Let us now start seeing some examples of what I don't explain to now. Now, guys, watch. I will call you guys one by one. You go tell me how many Corsia and carreggiata they say. I will call you guys one by one. Because in this class, we dey ask question. That's the only way we say I go know say you understand what I teach you. Now watch. So I will call you guys one by one. You go explain how many Corsia and carreggiata they see here. All right, let me see who is here. Let me start from the first person I see here. Okay. Mr. Desmond, I will leave it for now. You just enter. Let me start from Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter, how many carreggiata can you count here?
We have two carreggiata here.
Two carreggiata. Mrs. Grace, how many?
No, sorry, 8.
8?
1, 2,
No, I dey come. Na carreggiata I ask you. I no say Corsia.
Carreggiata, see, 2, 2.
2. Okay, 2. I dey come. Now, Mrs. Grace, on your mic, ma. I don't call you before. On your mic, ma, because for this class, you go always on your mic if we call you. Now, my sister, good evening, ma. How many carreggiata can you see here, ma?
3.
3 carreggiata.
Yes.
All right, I dey come. Oh. My first call people who I think say they did New Year first before I call the Agbayas them. Yeah, so they come. Okay. Okay, Mrs. Annabelle, how many carreggiata can you see here, ma?
I see 3 carreggiata minus 1. That is 2 carreggiata.
No, that minus 1, you don't go apply am for carreggiata. Now for Corsia, you go apply am. Ma, I ask you again, how many carreggiata can you see here, ma?
It's 2 carreggiata.
You see 2 carreggiata here. Okay, I'm coming now.
Mr. Charles, are they active? If you want to ask me question,
Okay,
no
they're
reason I'm
active. Okay. Mr. Desmond, how many carreggiata you dey see here, sir?
Now 2 carreggiata.
You dey see 2 carreggiata. I dey come up. All right, move on the ask. Okay, Mr. Elvis, how many carreggiata can you see here, sir? Mr. Elvis?
Huh?
Yes, how many carreggiata can you see?
Many carreggiata, 2.
2. All right. All the people who are called here, one number call. If I didn't call you, don't worry. I dey call. All the people if I called you, do you have a different answer? Maybe not 3, 4, 5.
Oga Charles, yes.
Okay, you want okay, let me call you. How many carreggiata can you see, Emma?
1.
1 carreggiata. I've been no one call you before. All right. Now, Student, watch. She said something important. Now, one Karijata day here. Let me explain to you guys. Please follow me, watch. If you remember very well, I showed you guys a picture. I showed now. See this picture I showed now with the here. Now the same thing I showed now before. Guys, watch. There is no spati traffic here. Might repeat again. Waiting be Karijata. Definition of Karijata is what? From the borderline to the borderline. Please write that down. Everybody who I called before, please write that down. Karijata is what? From borderline to borderline. No matter what they paint for the middle. Inside the middle, they can paint one continuous line, they can paint double continuous line. It no matter. Everybody follow me, I beg. Second definition of Karijata. Now from borderline to spati traffico. Now.
Sorry, I want to ask question.
Yes, ma'am.
This Karijata, is it the white this white line, the mark or the road?
Allora, Karijata and roads now two different things. When I start to teach you now, I explain what be road. I explain to be Karijata. Road now everything with the inside. Please follow me. That's a wonderful question actually. Watch. Road now everything way they see inside here. So now, as I can't go further, I can't break down because we are reading from our app now. I can't break down the word with the right. Now, we can't enter inside Karijata. Now, Karijata are waiting. No be Karijata the inside road, yes. Remember, it inside road. Because if you look this picture very well, see where Karijata dey. It inside road, it inside strada. Yes. Now, we can't pick out Karijata outside that now. Now one can explain. Why they say road na senso unico? That is why I now introduce the word Karijata. Now, the first definition of Karijata na waiting. From the borderline to borderline. Simple. Second definition. From the borderline. What be borderline? That continuous line. That continuous line you go see there. Oh. Continuous, you know go see this continuous line. From the continuous line, that is the borderline, the margin of the road to the spati traffico. Or you say from the spati traffico to borderline. Or to wait into the spati traffico again. Student, watch. Now only spati traffico fit divide road into two Karijata. Only spati traffico. Now let me go back to the picture I showed you guys before. We person now consider two Karijata. Let me show you guys why you did mistake. I showed you guys this thing. Una consider two Karijata. Here then draw two double continuous line. This double continuous line here is not dividing the road. It only tell us the sense of movement. It only tell us say car they go here for this particular place now. Car go they go here, car go they come back here. That is follow me. Oh. Hey, they come. There's a wonderful question I go to ask here now. Watch. When we enter Corsia, just follow me now. Now, from here to here, this double continuous line is only telling us say this road now waiting now double continuous movement. Doppio senso di circolazione. This thing here no be spati traffico. This thing here no be guardrail. Then paint am there. It they only tell you say car they go here, car they come back here. Simple. If you no see guardrail there, no call am Karijata. So since you no see guardrail here, wetin come be the Karijata from the borderline to the borderline. Simple. Any question? Any question? All right, let us do more examples. Adekomo. Okay, since we are here now, let me see if we are still on. Now, how many courses are there? Let me call the same people again. If I no call you, I believe, not be say I believe say you know I'm, but I'm coming. Let me first of all deal with my new student first. Now, and if I'm calling all the time, not mean say we hate you. We have to make sure say you understand them. Now, let me start from Mr. No, Mrs. Grace. Hello, ma. How many Corsia now? Corsia, how many Corsia you see inside here? But what I just teach you? Nah. So now for Mrs. Grace. No. I don't talk Karijata again. I talk Corsia.
Sorry, I don't know I'm
You don't know because you don't pay attention. You know they do something else when they teach and Nana. I know. All right, my contact person. They come. Mr. Elvis. They come. My name is Mr. Elvis one. They come. Mr. Peter. How many Corsia can you see here, sir?
6, sir.
You can see 6 Corsia. All right. Mr. Elvis say he see. Mr. Peter saying see 6 Corsia. Mrs. Annabelle.
Yes.
How many Corsia you see here, ma?
What did you say?
How many corsia can you see, Emma? How many corsia?
It's 7 corsia.
You they see 7 corsia. All right. They come on. Mrs. Ifolua. Hello, ma. Hello, ma.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Okay. How many corsia you they see, Emma?
3 corsia. 6 corsia, sorry.
6 corsia. All right. Guys, watch. Inside this particular place now, what do they call Karejata? The answer is 6 corsia. Is it clear? From the borderline to this one, now 1, 2, 3. You go 3. Even if not 2 line here, now 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This first method. Second method, count the whole line where you see here. If not double continuous line, now 1. Count the whole line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1 and 6. So we have 6 corsia here. Big. It get anybody who don't understand this thing. I get many examples where I have many examples to check. I get many questions where I go ask now. Okay, let us now see on that guy. This one a realistic picture of everything what they see for the now. My explain this one. Then with this one now, this one they more clearer. We can understand many things. Look at this Karejata, guys. First of all, let me ask a question. First of all, guys, my first ask question. How many Karejata would they see inside here? Let me start from Mr. Desmond. How many?
Okay, now 3 Karejata.
You they see 3 Karejata, all right, they come on. Okay. Mrs. Grace, how many Karejata can you see, Emma?
Now 4.
You they see 4 Karejata. Mr. Peter, how many Karejata can you see here, sir? Yeah, Mr. Peter.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir. How many Karejata can you see here?
3, sir.
3. I get question for the hook. Okay, they come. Mrs. Sifolua, how many Karejata can you see, Emma?
3 karejata.
All right. Mrs. Paul, how many Karejata do you see here?
3, sir.
3. Is anybody will get different answer? More they sincere. You have a different answer. Karejata, you get different number. Maybe now 4 they see 5, 6, or you see only 1. Okay, guys. Yes,
Oga
ma'am.
Charles, confusing, but I'm seeing only 1.
Maybe they see only 1. Okay, that's a wonderful question I asked there. You know, she said she see only 1. That guys watch. Yeah, we have Spati Traffico.
Okay, where is this party? I didn't see it here.
This gathering. See, this is the realistic picture we go see for
That
it.
is 15 now.
All this gathering, all this iron, 9 big gathering. And these are the guys who they divide the road into different Karejata. So here we have from this gathering or from this borderline to
Oga
this.
Charles,
Yes,
Oga
ma'am.
Charles,
Yes.
specific traffic. Let me see.
See, I'm here.
Here now.
This one I see here. Look at it. It's here.
Point at it. I'm not
Look at it
seeing
here.
the.
See my mouse.
Where is the
One
mouse?
is here. One day for here.
Okay.
Someone day for middle here. All these things where they see this iron.
Okay, I didn't see it before.
Yeah, this iron. This iron here. So from this iron to this iron, now 1 Karejata. Or from the borderline to the iron is 1 Karejata. Now, guys, watch. My leave this one for now. My entire from this iron to this iron now that Karejata there.
2.
Now look at this one for center here. The Karejata is what? From the iron to the iron. Or you say from the borderline to the borderline. Or you say from the borderline to the iron. So here we have 3 Karejata. Please Please, no go count. Somebody say 4. No count say from year to year. Because this guy waiting for year, they only tell us say this in a doppio senso di circolazione. Please don't forget Mrs. Grace.
That one join now. That
You go
center
count
one.
and join them. I know.
Yeah.
No count them because this guy here, they only tell you say this road na doppio senso di circolazione. No be sparti traffico. So you go say 1, 2, and 3. See, my answer on that question again, on that very serious question. Watch. Let me start from. Start from Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter, watch. This carreggiata here, this carreggiata is senso unico or doppio senso, in your opinion? This is how we do here. Hello, Mr. Peter.
Hello, sir. My line is breaking.
Sorry, yo. This carreggiata here, in your opinion, na senso unico or doppio senso? Okay, that's a line the break. Okay, let me answer that person.
Senso unico, sir.
Na senso unico. Why is it senso unico?
Because the two carreggiata are going towards one direction, sir.
Why again? What will be the main thing we make you know say they go the same direction?
Okay. If you look very well, you see this double arrow here. They are facing towards the same direction.
I get a question for you. Maybe they go see double arrow for road. They don't go see double
No.
arrow for road though. What will be the main thing we go make you as a student, as a driver, no say they for senso unico? Because you talk na senso unico, abi? Yes. How you go
Yes,
take no sense of they go the same direction? Because when I start to teach you, now what I first explain. How you go take no?
Okay. Because of how will I explain now? The
Wait
the
now, hold on.
Kosia line. Hello,
Because of
excuse
wetin?
me. Because of the Kosia line, which is sorry for me to use the word the carreggiata, the carway is going to one particular position. In the sense that with the this continual line here is telling us that it's senso unico.
Yes, now the answer now, you don't go too far. Now discontinuous line. Now discontinuous line wait there for that place. Because you have a discontinuous line, my brother. Discontinuous line here means senso unico. Now wetin make you know say this road na senso unico? Because in the road, you no go see this arrow. You no go see policeman here wey tell you say, Mr. Peter, you dey for senso unico. Is it clear now? As a driver,
Yes, sir.
as a student, now the discontinuous line wey dey for center go make everybody know say they drive for road wey be senso unico. Now, since we don't introduce them, we don't know say yeah, this carreggiata wey na carreggiata senso unico. We can explain something here. Guys, watch. This Corsia, this right lane here, the name is always called marcia normale. Please write it down. Now, in case they do quiz, you call hear the word marcia normale. No say they talk about this lane, the right lane. Another name is called what? Marcia ordinaria. Another name is called what? Corsia destro, because now the right lane. All this name what they tell now. For those who want to start to do quiz from today, if you write it down, na big thing for you, no forget them. They call it marcia normale, marcia ordinaria, and corsia destro, the right lane. Why do they call it marcia ordinaria? Now for this lane, we be say you go to drive slow, or not slow. Those vehicles, that those big vehicles. If you look at them very well, all this trailer them, they drive for this lane because they go especially in autostrada, strada sopravvicinali. You see them, they'll be driving in this lane all the time in the right lane. That's what they call it marcia normale, normal lane. Look at this other lane wey dey here, wey be yellow. They call it corsia di sorpasso. That's the first name they call it. What is the meaning of sorpasso? Sorpasso means overtake. In this lane, you can overtake. Because remember, say senso unico means say you can overtake. Because with this continuous line, you can go out of your lane, enter this lane. Is it clear now? If not this continuous line, you can go out of your lane and enter the other lane. And where do you overtake from? In Italy, you can only overtake from the left-hand side. Is it clear now? Now, why do they call them corsia sorpasso? Another name is called what? Corsia sinistra. That is the left lane, corsia di sinistro. Please don't forget these things. Is it clear now? You only overtake from here. Now the same thing will happen for here. The same thing. This is your right lane. This is your left lane. Let us now focus our attention here. Watch, guys. Watch, oh. From this carriage, from this party traffico to this party traffico. Inside here, we have many information. we get this continuous line here where they tell us say this guy and this guy, they are going the same lane. Watch oh, this lane here and this lane, they are going the same place. Because of the fact that they get double continuous line here, this lane and this lane go change direction. They're going to go in that direction. That is why you have that is the work of this double continuous line here. Are you following me now? Now, if they are drawn continuous line here, it means the same thing. It means that this lane and this lane, because they get this continuous line, they're going to go one direction. Now, after that, the sense of movement will change. This guy and this guy, they will go another direction. Why? Because of there's a continuous line in the center. Yeah, they get double continuous line. It means doppio senso di circolazione. Now watch. If they can't put this continuous line here, everybody they go the same direction. Any question? So I don't see now. Like play. How many people have learned something huge today? How many people don't learn something big today? Who they sincere?
We don't learn now.
Yeah, I know. But how many people you just learn something where they huge today? Only today, let's say today is your first time today of doing patente. You don't learn something where they very, very huge. Or you don't do patente before. You learn something very huge today. Let's be sincere. I believe one of us actually. All right, guys. Let us continue. So I'll just ask us some questions about lane and all these things. Let me see if... Now, remember I told you, I say, for your book, I like this one very well. If in your book, in your book, if you see where they paint green, if they paint green there, it means party traffico. Don't forget. The reason why they paint on green because of the fact that you have to enter inside textbook so that so that people will not be confused. Now why they paint on green? Is it clear? So that thing means when they paint green, it just means
that is what I was looking for that time.
Okay. I like this one very well. Now, guys, watch. Question. Let me start from Mr. Peter. Mr. Peter, how many carreggiata did you see here? Look at where.
It's 3, sir.
You can see 3 carreggiata.
Yes, sir.
Mrs. Grace, how many you did see here? How many carreggiata? I know you, ma. You did see 3. Okay. Mr. Desmond, how many you did see here? How many carreggiata?
3 carreggiata, sir.
Mrs. Messi, I never forget you. Will they call you every now and then? How many carreggiata did you see here, ma?
It's 3, sir.
3. Mrs. Agatha, how many?
It's 3.
3. Does anybody have a different answer here? Move this sincere. If you get different answer. If you be saying na 5 or 4, 6, or 1. All right, guys. Na 3 carreggiata day here. And I'm happy to say we don't understand what to be carreggiata. From this one, from the borderline that we're not seeing to this other guy, now 1. From this one to this one is 2. From this one to this one is 3. Now watch.
3.
How many corsia can we see here? Let me start from Mr. Elvis. How many corsia can you see here, sir? Mr. Elvis. Okay. Mrs. Annabelle. How many corsia can you see here, ma? Na corsia, I ask you. Look at very well. Apply the knowledge of corsia. What I don't teach you today. How many corsia can you see here? Look at it very, very well.
5 corsia.
Mr. Peter, how many corsia you see here? Okay, Mrs. Annabelle. Okay, why you say 5? Why you say 4? You can't say 5 corsia. To you now, how is it 5? Yes.
Because I counted the The continuous line that is in the middle.
No. You know they apply the right method. Why is it 5 cos here? Okay,
Can I try it?
I come. No, I'm coming.
Four cosine
I want her to
It's four
understand it.
cosine that I'm saying here.
Because even last time, I never still understand this thing. You know, they study them. Look at it very well. You know, I don't teach you what it because here. I taught you what is cos here today. See, look at this thing now. Cos here now waiting. Imagine say here na from the one line to another line, you go count the cos here. From one line to you go say now apply the same thing here. Now what you go do for here? You know, or you count how many line with that place minus and with one. Are they come? Where is in this? Because if you not do it now, I know that you go fit study again tomorrow. I know that you go open your book study.
That is 5 cosine minus 1, the remaining 4.
Why you call them 5? I come.
But
Mrs.
I
Paul,
put the other one.
which one?
Okay.
No, continue, ma. Sorry.
That continuous line, I join it, so I have to minus it. That is the continuous line. If you count it, it's 4.
No.
No?
No. Hello, Mrs. Paul, how many courses you
Yes,
see?
sir.
How many courses you see?
8.
8 courses. Now, I want shock you. I want shock you now. Now, Mrs. Grace, this picture they see here, do you know that the same thing way they see here? Not the same thing. Not just the same thing. It's just that this guy here, like I tell you now, for your book, you go see green thing. For road, now as per traffic goes, not the same thing way they see here. Not just the same thing. This is the way they see here. Now this is not the same thing way they see for the other side. Not be 5 courses.
Alright,
Yes, sir.
let's say this way do I don't give an expo. Those car with the pass. He can't turn at 8.
Exactly. Yeah. Now, if you count on 8, yeah. The Corsair, if you look at the road, yeah, exactly. That one too. I like this picture very well. It's a very wonderful picture. Now, 8 Corsair the year. Not be 5. From that one, we will see here, not be 5. Now, 8 Corsair. You need to understand this thing very well. Now, what you do for me now, my sister, you will go and watch these videos well. May you understand them. So, students, watch. If you not look very well, we just do few things, but we don't do a lot of things. If you not look very well. See, now here we stop. I never read everything complete. Now here we stop. But we don't do many things. Now, the control us now say a road can be subdivided può essere suddivisa in più carreggiata. We don't even explain this one. In presenza di uno spartitraffico. They say a road can be subdivided, can be divided into many carreggiata. So long as say spartitraffico they there. And I don't even go deeper, explain this thing well, students. Students, for this class, I don't open the group. In this class, I'm asking you guys to be doing plenty quiz. Now, please, I don't write them before. You guys should download Patente Guide Vai. Number 1. Number 2, you should download Quiz Tradotto. For now, everybody for this group, when I use Quiz Tradotto for now. Quiz Tradotto is one of the most simplest app to use and do Patente. Download it, everybody, and start doing quiz from there. If you get difficulty, please call me. Or better still, I expect somebody to call me this night and say, I don't download them. I go take use them. I will now explain to you. Or you call a friend, somebody who already there for this class for a long time. The person will explain to you. Please, if you want to do quiz, don't go and do quiz anyhow. There's a way you do quiz. That's why I say you should call me. And I will explain to you how to do quiz. You do quiz per topic. We don't do Strada today. Do quiz on Strada. We don't do quiz. We have done Corsia. Do quiz on Corsia. Don't go and do what we have not done. It no make sense at all. You yourself will not say no make sense because you will fail plenty. You see it now. We have done carreggiata a little bit. Even though say we've not even started doing it, but we don't already touch them a lot. We don't touch them. You see it now. So you can start doing quiz already, guys. Now only 3 months I give us. 3 months. If you follow me, if you are serious, trust me, it's Annabelle. If you follow me, Bomba to you they do quiz. Before you sleep this night, you not quiz, you do quiz. You go see say in 3 months time, you two go go, okay, when you want, you can go and do your exam. People they pass exam. Like all 2025, we had a lot of people that did exam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is my last lesson on do this year.
Amen.
My last. Something.
But you don't be say you go do. What would that the second part? You can't disappear. We're going to see you again. We're going to see you again.
So this time I want to take everything serious because
No wahala.
I mean, they keep myself. I mean, they do myself.
Even that one self, we'll finish this week. We are finishing this week.
So are you back from Nigeria? Don't you traveled? How was your journey?
No, I'm not traveling.
Me? Uh-huh.
Yeah. No, I thought he's the one that traveled. I thought he's the
Okay,
one
Mr.
that was
Efan, you asked whether you travel.
No, I can't quit. I did.
Why are you not in that group? What happened?
Don't mind me. I don't disappear.
Yeah.
Don't mind me. I beg.
They disappear every time, which is not good. All right, my student, please. In this family, in this group, we are family.
I don't go lie now. That's us. I don't go lie.
Yeah. Please, if you
I
get,
not disappear again. No.
yeah, if you get questions, if you get, you know, understand anything, you can also write it in the WhatsApp group. Anybody that can answer you, so long as the correct answer, beg, you can answer the person. Another thing really important again, guys, the classes are not free. Now only 30 euro with the collect every month, which is nothing. They say I'm now. If you go your pathetic school, to that help person, me and person go. I have one guy to go. The guy won't go register for exam for school actually. For 550 euro, they tell the guy. Yeah, they pay how much? And see the way I take teach you now. I believe many people don't understand a lot of things here. Please, now only 3 months I give us. See, trust me, February, March, we don't finish. You can go and do your exam. You can even start your payment. I will write everything how you do them.
30 euro. Wetin happen?
Eh?
This one where they collect 30 euro. Wetin happen?
Now, so that I want make an easy for everybody. If I say 180, then I'm not go pay 180. If I say 30 euro, I'm gonna pay 30 euro. Move on once. Although that's waiting whether now I will put them. After you call me, I will explain to you. All right, guys, let us continue. Please, move start to the study apart from joke. You can download this quiz Tradoto, start studying. I beg, even Miss Agatha, not be say after you go disappear. Move just take and say 3 months, you go day here fix. Move just try do and three
Hey,
months.
time around that we dey here.
All right. Have a wonderful evening, everybody. I go down. I will send us this in later. If you want to, you can also check my YouTube link. You can be watching the videos there.
My question is that the same Guida and the Evan?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Is it the same one
It's the
we are
same.
using before?
Yeah. It's the same. Yes, it's the same, ma'am.
Your YouTube, Oga John.
I thought is there school tomorrow? Is there school tomorrow?
No, for the right group, yeah, school day for the right group. But we are meeting Mondays and Wednesday. Now we dey meet for here.
Okay, Monday and Wednesday.
Monday and Wednesday.
Okay.
All right, guys. Yeah, I'll send us the YouTube channel after. All right, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.